रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे होली है. Holi without Thandai? Not done. So let's celebrate this Holi by making Thandai. Cashews, soaked almonds, poppy seeds, peppercorns, melon seeds, sugar and milk. And you'll also need some fennel seeds known as soft. Mix all the ingredients and blend it into a fine paste. Boil the milk and add the paste in it. Now boil the milk and gradually stir it. Now add some sugar in the milk. Add saffron milk and bring it to a boil. See the color change in the milk. Bring it to a boil and let it cool. Now this has been cooled and this will go in the refrigerator for chilling for about 2 hours. Now our Thandai is been chilled. You can pour it into your favorite glasses and garnish it with some pistachios and some rose petals.